EDCI 710, Jody, Janet, and Natalie. Dr. Palermo getting us kicked off, I hope, with 710, talking a little bit about the course in general and about some of your assignments for this first week. Did you start at the course overview page? I hope that you did. Let's see if that works. Read this stuff first. Yes, this module is about wrapping up the FCEP and promoting collaborations with internal and external stakeholders to improve opportunities for students, and also to do some professional learning through demonstrating you can develop and deliver a professional learning module. You're going to develop the PLM. That's closely tied to the two evidences, the FCEPC, the report from your family community engagement plan. You will continue to work on the rigorous curriculum design plan, but that's not due until fall. And you're going to be working on this PLM, which you'll present at the summer conference at the end of July. Check out the syllabus, the course policies. This is all the same as it has been. And then I'm going to flip over here and talk about week one a little bit. So this is where we should be now anyway. There are several textbooks, including Old Friends, Ainsworth. You got to read something in there to keep going with your CDP. Supervision and instructional leadership will give you more of an applied cookbook approach to leadership and to supervision. Should you be going more down that road, it applies a new model for adult learning and development. And I found it helpful as a principal, depending on your role and continued roles in your career, this or the Heart of Coaching, which emphasizes the mentoring, coaching, helping part, that pillar. Instead, either of those two texts may be more applicable to your work situation, provide different ideas about leadership. Leadership is the big idea here, I guess, this semester. And the Strengths Finder, the Rath and Conchi strengths-based leadership ties into that. I don't have a copy to display for you here. You do need to buy a new copy of Strengths-Based Leadership because it gives you a code inside that you're going to use to do the online survey to determine your strengths. And that Strengths Finder 2.0 assessment is an important thing to do soon. We're going to roll that into weekend 1, June 1 and 2. So do your strengths, please. Read that portion of the book and there is a response. No, don't do the response just quite yet. Your text, let me just come over here briefly and show you the course text. The Heart of Coaching and Supervision, I've said something about. Tell me so I can hear you. I don't have my own copy yet, but this is another in Ellie Drago-Severson's continuing series about mentoring, listening, helping, and looking forward to reading that along with you. There is the supervision that I mentioned, strengths-based leadership, Rath and Conchi, and these are the 3 books that that you're reading for your book club selection. One of you has focus, one most likely to succeed, and one make it stick. In addition to participating in a cohort book club around your book of choice, I'm asking that the 3 of you each do a presentation the second face-to-face weekend, June 22, based on your book. So we'll talk about that, but I'm hoping that book club will give you an opportunity to collaborate and speak with others about these big ideas, but also to do a presentation and perhaps model a presentation for us that you would want to do for your school or for others. So you're going to develop a PLM together to present at the conference. You're going to do a little mini lesson on your book for us as well. Back to week 1. So you have a bunch of stuff to read. Watch Dr. Brown's videos over here on the evidences please. You have to burrow down just a little bit, but they are here. If you click on the evidence descriptions and rubrics, there is a video for each of these. PLM is called something else, but it is the PLM indeed. And again, the FCEP and PLM are the two evidences due this summer. So see Dr. Brown's videos on the evidences, please. Rath and Conchi, Ainsworth, Strengths Finder are readings for this week. Glickman is the supervision. Read chapters 1 to 3, please. And participate in the book club plan. Now, when I watch these videos, they're from a previous semester when Dr. Brown set it up. But whether Dr. Putnam is going to be setting up new folders or making up new groups, follow along and play nice with the book club, please, best that you can. Maybe you'll have a question for me about that. Here is where we will fill out the form and bring this strengths reflection to our first face-to-face class, please. Don't post anything here yet. And your FCEP initial plan, don't post anything here yet either. Bring that to your first face-to-face class, June 1. Here's a video from Dr. Brown about the book club logistics, and I believe the plan is going to be the same, that you'll sign up, that you'll be assigned to groups, that together in your group you'll create a plan to Zoom and meet. But I don't believe that's been loaded just yet. Here is a place that you're supposed to put your book club plan. Don't worry if that's not done this first week. And in the clinical experience log, that's more of the same that you have been doing. So that's a little bit of an overview for this first week, and to start us off at the beginning of the summer session. We will meet for a face-to-face June 1 and 2 at Wayne Learning Center. Not sure of the room yet, but I'll give that to you as soon as I get it. And yeah, most of this stuff, if you don't know now, can wait until June 1st, and we'll get everything crystal clear then. Thanks, ladies. See you soon.